S208 portable voice amplifier, and it's by HAOWORKS, HAOWORKS, and we're going to check this thing out and see what it looks like. This is how I open it up, and this is the user manual there. Here is, I guess, the apparatus. Oh, and then a bunch of different wires. Here's the headset and a strap for it so you can hold it, and I'm guessing this is a charging cable. It's USB. I always like to show it here. It's USB-C, USB to USB-C. So the camera's over on this side, but yeah, you get the idea. And then here's a little headphone wire. I guess if you were trying to hook it up to some external something or other. And let's see how this thing goes. So if I was a tour guide, I would get to do this, and I would put this on. Like, I don't know how you do it. Does it go around your neck maybe? Yeah, they're like that maybe. Okay, so I would be, hi everybody, I am Neil the tour guide. Although it has a picture with this thing going over the top of someone's head, so I guess you could wear it like this somehow. I guess you have your different options of how you want to wear it. See that little picture there just has a guy on it, but like here, so this guy has it around his neck. That's the amplifier, or around his waist or whatever. But let's check this thing out. So this is what it looks like here, and it's got a clip on it, so I guess you can clip it onto your belt. And then it says HAOWORKS on there, and let me see, let's see, how do I connect it up? So it's got the DC in there. The microphone goes in the side here, and then I can turn it on, I guess like that. Oh, it's doing something. Let me see. Can I do it without instructions? Maybe, maybe not. Oops, it's blue. Okay, I don't know what it means. You see there, it's blue. Let's see. One is mode. To switch among Bluetooth mode, USB mode, and aux mode. So we want to be, we don't want Bluetooth mode. So what button was I going to push to do that? The M button. What is M? Oh, mode. Oh, it does have an M on the top of the button. So now it says Bluetooth. Now it has nothing. Oh, I guess the dot 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 is the mode I'm in now. So let's see. And then I'm on some sort of mute. Small microphone delivers loud and clear, carrying the system made easy. Let's see. USB mode previous, next, recording, power indicator, digital display, mic slot, operation. Oh, here we go. Voice amplifier. Okay, so scroll the wheel to on. Okay, I've done that. And then plug in the wired headset into the mic slot, and I did that. Oh! I wasn't plugged in all the way. Ouch, that was loud. Okay, so now I'm in the mic slot. Hello. Let's see, do I have to do anything? Let me put this over here. Hello. No, it's not working now. Put it in the mic slot. Okay. Plug the wire into the mic slot, and then you can start amplifying. Scroll the wheel to, okay, let me try to, let's say, okay, I'm turn it on again. Okay, now it says hi. I don't hear anything. Hello? Hello? I can do aux now. I'm in the mic slot. Oh, I am. I'm talking now. Okay. So this is, if I was a tour guide, I could have this. Oh, I get it now. Oh, okay. So I would have this. I have to put the microphone pretty close to my mouth for it to work. You see, it's like practically in my mouth. I don't know if you can hear me. It sounds a little tinny, but it works. I mean, it totally works. I mean, I guess whenever a tour guide goes, it always is tinny. Let me see if there's a better way to put the this. I mean, it shows. I think I would wear it like this. Like, oh, and here's the microphone. Oh, I don't even have it facing my mouth. Okay. Okay, let's gotta rearrange all this stuff here. Let me see. What do I want to do here? Okay. It's gonna go this way, and there's the microphone, and now I can do it here, and it's really loud, and it's pretty clear. I can understand myself, and I'm at full volume. So if I'm doing a tour, I could just take this here, and everybody would hear me. Probably all the people in the campers next to me hear me already. So that's how this thing works. And okay, I'm gonna turn it off right now. But it does sound pretty good. And it does Bluetooth mode. And I guess if you're playing music and stuff through Bluetooth mode, you would hear, you would see these buttons here would play the next song and all that kind of stuff. It's pretty cool. It's good because it's very directional. If I don't have the microphone in front of me, you can't hear it. Which is be great because then you're not going to hear all the ambient sound. It actually is really cool. Okay, so that's the HAOWORKS, and let's see how does the strap hook onto it? Let me see. I see there's the strap place. Where was that picture? I guess. Oh, it connects onto the back here. You can see on the back. Hold on a second. Turning it off just because it's only me and I'm getting feedback. But see, you got the little carabiner type things, and you connect it up to here. So there's one side, and the other side here. And I can just wear it around my neck. It gets longer, shorter, whatever. I could recharge it, and then I could be going around being a tour guide now. Let me put it back on again here. And now, okay, now I'm on again. Okay, so now I'm on, and everybody can hear me, and I could just be walking around giving a tour, and everybody would know what I'm saying. So this is pretty sweet. So thumbs up if you don't have the little in-ear ones that I've taken on some tours before. This would be the way to go. So this is perfect for that. This actually might be good if I'm hanging out with the kids or something like that. It would be good for like a coach of like a little league or something like that, so you can just scream at the kids without screaming. So especially somebody who's sick or has a sore throat or something, this would be the way to talk loud without screaming. So actually it'd be kind of fun for a little inexpensive, fun little amplifying thing. I'm giving this thing a total thumbs up. It's fun. I'll use it for a while, see how long the battery lasts, and if there's any issues with it, I'll post it in the comments. But there's a little auxiliary plug, so you can plug it into a CD player or some other device, I guess, to get more sound in here to amplify it. Or you could just use it as it is, whatever. So it's pretty sweet. It's kind of like a megaphone. Hey, everybody! Okay, so that's it. It's pretty sweet. I like it. Thumbs up. And I'm going to put a link to it in the description. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with some more reviews soon. And this was the original voice amplifier S208 by HAOWORKS. So pick one of these up if you're looking for something like this. Thanks. Bye.